Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to change your Twitter handle. First of all, you need to update your Twitter app from the Play Store or the App Store, and this method will work for both Android and iOS. Now open the Twitter app and log into your account. So I am already logged in. Okay, now click on the three horizontal lines that you see at the top left hand corner. Click here. Now go to the bottom and you will find settings and privacy. Click on it. Okay, now you will reach here. Now you need to click on account, that is the first option, just like this. Now you can see the first option, that is username, that is your Twitter handle. Click on it, and now here from here you can change it. Okay, now you need to type in a new name. Suppose I am going to type in Mass Reality. Now you can see the username has already been taken. Okay, so if it is giving this message, then you need to type in a new one. Okay, so I'm going to type whatever was there already. Okay, and now I'm not going to change mine. So if you want to change yours, then keep typing until you find a good username or Twitter handle. So thank you for watching the video. Now after doing that, you need to click on done. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.